Good morning, everyone, from the port of Siargao City. Guys, let me tell you this right now. If you're a YouTuber, all right, stay with it. It will pay off. Guys, we are riding first class. That's right. Business class. I'm sorry, business class. Is it business?
Yeah.
Business class, all right? We are riding business class on a luxurious boat here. I'll show you later on in the video the boat and business class. Stay with it, guys, because YouTube will pay off. First time in 57 years of my life, I'm riding business class. Yes, sir. Anyways, champagne and caviar dreams. Is that how it goes with Robin Leach? Let me show you the port here real quick. Quite a few people in here. Now, these boats go to multiple places here in the Philippines, not just Siargao Island. You can catch boats to, I think, Cebu and many different destinations. But it's really nice area. You see it. Take a look. There are white people here in the port. So you're not the only white person if you come, or foreigner if you come. Everybody's friendly. It's going to show you around snacks, snack foods. I can smell coffee, so I know somewhere there's coffee. And of course, your souvenir shops. You'd never leave an area without a souvenir if you're on vacation. When you live here, you would have a closet full of souvenirs, a room full of souvenirs, if you bought souvenirs everywhere you went, right? A lot of people will take the ferry from here over to Siargao Island. Like I said, there's many ways you can get over to Siargao Island if that's where you're looking to go. Many options, many different options. There's Mr. Donut. Many different airports you can fly in. It depends on how much money you want to save in there. If your time is of not a value. Snacks. Choi pork. I know I smell coffee. I know I did, but I don't see a coffee machine or a coffee place. I'm sure these places sell you coffee, hot water for your coffee. So anyways, there it is, guys. There's the port here in Siargao, Surigao. Let me get it right. Surigao City. All right, guys. So you might be asking yourself, what does business class waiting lounge look like here in the port? What are you laughing at? What? What are you laughing at? Business class waiting lounge. You might be asking yourself, does it have a bar? Does it have its own private restaurant? Does it have air conditioning? Well, the answer to all those questions is a big no. Sitting out in the open area with everybody else, and it's warm. There's no air con happening in here, so yeah, I just figured I would throw that in there. But guys, remember, stay with it. You YouTubers out there, stay with it. You'll eventually be able to afford business class also. Stick with it. All right, guys, we are getting ready to board. You may ask yourself, did they haul out? All right, that's us. All right, they might. You ready to look? You might ask yourself, did they call for business class boarding first? No, they didn't. They didn't call for business class boarding first. You know, like you go to the airport and you're business class, you know. Look at me, I'm business class. You get to board first, and you know what I'm saying, but no, they didn't board us first. Anyways, you guys ready to see our luxurious boat that we are taking business class? You guys ready? The Nathan Ferry 3, and it's raining. They didn't even bring me out a business class umbrella. I'm starting to think that business class may be a little on the fishy side. Anyways, let's board here, and I'll show you business class. Where's business class? All right, yep. Here we go. God, I hope, now let me wipe this off. Oh, there we go. All right. Yes, sir. Let's hope these are nice reclining seats. A little air conditioning. Maybe a bunk bed, a bed to sleep in. What number are we, bud?
B11.
Huh? 11. B11 business class. All right, thank you, young man. Here we are, B11. Wow, check out business class. You guys ready for this? What number?
11.
What number though? A, B, C?
Yeah, it's E, B, C, D. B11 yours, B11 is mine.
A and B11. All right, you guys ready? Check this out. This is business class. This is what you're paying the big bucks for. This is why I tell you to work hard on YouTube so you can afford business class. Check this out. This is business class. Ba-boom, business class. I tell you this much, the air conditioning is nice, right? I'll have to get with Lud, because this is the first time Lud has ever rode business class. What do you think, Lud? What do you think of business class, huh? Is it everything you expected and more?
Yeah.
What do you say? Like, work hard at YouTube. Work hard at YouTube, and you can afford business class too. 57 years it took me to afford business class. Oh yeah. I'll you know what? Here's our view. Our view. I'll once we get going, I'll get up and walk around and kind of just show you the layout of the boat, because there's actually seating down below for non-business class. That's down below. I think we're gonna have to boat more often business class.
Yeah.
Top of the line.
Work harder.
Do you think? I wonder if it comes with champagne. Think it would come around with a complimentary champagne, and some caviar or something.
$1,000 champagne.
Is there a meal with this ride in business class? Possibly steak. Steak and lobster. Guys, I made a statement earlier about you know, in the port there, saying about white people and stuff. The reason I say that is because some people will look at a video about the Philippines, looking to travel and stuff like that, and like they might see like, oh my God, there's no like foreigners, no white people, and they might get nervous. Matter of fact, I ran into a guy here in Surigao City when we were here, and he actually said that to me. He goes, I'm kind of afraid and nervous to travel around the Philippines for the simple reason, like I've been to like different areas and I don't see any white people. It makes them nervous. No need to be afraid. No need to be afraid. And there are areas though that definitely don't go in the Philippines, but that's why I put that out there. So once we get moving, I will show you around this luxurious boat. All right, guys, let me take you into the tourist class seating area. It's downstairs in the boat here. There it is, tourist. Watch your head. Of course, you have a CR, but let me just walk through here. A little bit more crowded down here than upstairs. Ah, yeah. There it is. That is your tourist. Hi. Hey, welcome welcome to my vlog. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Still plenty of room back here. All right, let's roll through business class. This is where we're at. Oop. As you can see, not as many people up here. It's very lightly dimmed, quiet, so you can sleep, so you can rest. Oh, there's Wood hiding. But yeah, very nice air conditioned up here. Your own seat bar. There's a little snacks here. All right, here it is. All right, guys, I am going to take you into the economy. The economy seating. Yes, I am outside. That's how you get to the economy seating. It's in the back of the boat where it's loud and noisy. Here is economy seating down here. Let's go look at economy seating. I gotta be careful I don't fall. Wow, loud. Economy. That's your economy seating, guys. Loud, 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 loud. Man, can you imagine riding back there in the back of the boat? Save a few pesos, but hey, people do it. It's all they can afford. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, you see the different sections of the boat. Check it out, beautiful. You can get up, you can move about. There's an area out here. If you're a smoker person, you can come out here. But check it out, there's your air conditioned units right here. You can leave your luggage out back here. Nobody's going to bother it. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful ride. This is your luxury liner. All right, guys, we have made it. Our feet are on solid ground. Nice ride. Hour and a half. That's how long it took us to get from Surigao City to Siargao Island. How much did it cost? You want to know how much did it cost for business class? Like I said, that's in my YouTube pay grade. If I were to take a speedboat, like a Fin Snow speedboat yacht, that's out of my pay grade. A chopper's out of my pay grade. A private jet is out of my pay grade. So how much did it cost? Hold on to your seat. You're sitting down, grab your seat, hold on to your seat. A whopping 520 pesos each. A total of 1,040 pesos for Lut and I to travel business class. And then there was some type of luggage fee. What was that, 60 pesos for us, for both of us?
Yeah.
60 pesos for a luggage fee. So we have arrived. All kidding aside, guys, I was just having fun with the video. And yes, the thumbnail is a clickbait thumbnail. All kidding aside, it was a nice boat. If you decide to ride on a boat like that and you get on there, and if there's available seats and say you book like an economy or tourist and you want to stay up in the business and there's seats available, you can upgrade on the boat, right, Lut? Because a couple people did upgrade. So you can upgrade on the boat. It kind of reminds you of riding on a plane, seat-wise, plenty of room. I'm 5'11" and I had plenty of leg room. Hey guys, all right. I'm all right, my friend. I'm good, my friend. They want to get you. They want to get you. They want to get you. I'm good, my friend. I'm all right. Salamat.
If you rent, we have.
Thank you, sir. I'm good, my friend. They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you.
I'm going to Jerlo.
I'm gonna get you. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good, my friend. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to my vlog.
They're just trying to. They're trying to get some business. I'm good, my friend. Where was I? Seating. Plenty of leg room for seating. They're comfortable seats. Yeah, it's up to you how you want to ride, how you want to, what type of transportation. I would suggest getting to a port at least an hour before it leaves in case there's any issues or problems. You can deal with it. What else? I don't know. Can you book them seats online?
Oh.
Like, let's say you could book that online. All right, we're not getting no discount. There may be a senior citizens discount. I didn't get no discount. Didn't get no vloggers discount. Didn't get no frequent boating discounts or anything like that. That's walking right up, paying for it. Check online. You can go down to the port early in the morning, find out when they leave. So there it is. There was our fun experience, our ride back business class. That's all fun, right? All right, guys, we are home and we will talk to you later.